Hello guys, welcome to our channel, The Surgery Times. Myself, Dr. Aditya Prasad Padi. Follow us in Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, as well as Facebook, and also follow us in Concept Group of Faculties. And the mock tests are totally free now, so please utilize this. And today's topic is WHO checklist that is simplified over here. Why that topic is very important? Because it is trending nowadays. One question from JIPMER and AIMS came last year, and one question from this NEET PG to be expected. So how to utilize this video? This is a very short video, so just watch 2 to 3 times now, and if possible 1 to 2 times just one day before the examination with a speed of 1.5 to 2x, so that it will be well memorized. So let's start the topic. So this is the WHO checklist displayed over here. It is present inside the OT itself. It is a paper and written all these up with these options, and it is made by WHO. It is very important, and it helps for the better outcome. So there are three columns over here. First is before induction of anesthesia, before skin incision, and before the patient leaves the operating room. Okay. So whenever you are greeting a patient to your clinic, how you are greeting? Hi, please come and sit. Okay, this much you will say. So this is how the WHO checklist also greets you. How you are remembering this is patient has confirmed over in the sign in part. So hi, please come and sit means first identify the patient, then what is the procedure, consent, and site. Okay, this should be confirmed over here, sign in part. Next is there are many A's over here, like known allergy, airway, aspiration, okay, and the quantity of blood loss, whether the risk is more than 500 ml or 7 ml per kg in case of children. You have to identify over the sign in part. Apart from this, the site mark already we have discussed, and anesthesia safety checklist by the anesthetist and pulse oximeter. Okay, so basically the sign in part should be filled up by the nursing staff as well as anesthesiologist. Now next is before skin incision. So after induction of the anesthesia, you should start your operation. So before giving the skin incision, what you have to see. So how will you remember? This is very important part. Okay. So many questions are framed from here. Also came 1 to 2 questions last year. So how will you remember? Timely confirm and review. Else anti-image will out. If you will not do the things in time, anti-image will be down. Okay. So first sign in part already you have seen. So you have to confirm and review over here. Okay. So time out, it is written in blue, and in between confirm, review, anti-image. Okay. So confirm means you have to confirm all the things in the sign in, that is patient, site, and procedure, and as well as the confirm all the team members. Okay, introduce themselves by the name and role. Okay, this will be in the timeout also. Then after confirm, the next word is review. What will you review? This timeout will be filled up by nursing, anesthesiologist as well as surgeon, and the sign out will be by also nursing, anesthesiologist, surgeon. There are three teams inside the OT. You might have come across in the internship part also. Okay, so nursing staff what will review whether the instrument are well equipment and well sterilized or not. Okay, whether any instrument is broken or not, whether sterilized or not, all those things will be reviewed by nursing staff. Anesthesiologist will review the patient specific concerns, like if COPD, hypertension, diabetes, any comorbidities present with the patient and there is risk of surgery. So he will explain to whether we have to finish it early or not, so that the patient risk will be less. Now next part is surgeon. Surgeon will review about the anticipated blood loss and operative steps and duration. Okay, operative step, duration, and anticipated blood loss. And next part is very important, that is antis image. Antis image is very important always in the daily life also. Okay, so antis image is antibiotic prophylaxis been given within 60 minutes or not, and essential image displayed or not. Essential image, like if you are going to do a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Okay, so if the whether any ultrasound is not actually the MRCP, if done, is whether MRCP done or not, and it is over hanging or not inside the OT, and antibiotic prophylaxis before 60 minutes gave or not. This much you have to see. Next is sign out. Sign out is nothing but before the patient leaves the operating room. What are the importance over here? After the OT, the procedure will be recorded. Okay, the counts of the sponge and instruments. Now the specimen is labeled and equipment concerned. So suppose this is a lab cholecystectomy. First, the procedure will be mentioned. Second, the gallbladder will be taken out, so well labeled and sent for histopathological examination. Okay, next, third is uh, specimen labeled. Okay, now third is the instrument count, whether some sponge or instrument is left inside the abdomen. Okay, so laparoscopic surgery, this is very less, so still you should remember this like this. And the fourth one is equipment problems, whether the harmonic is working or not, the cameras are well equipped or not, all these things. So now after I'm just going to tell the important things over here. Okay, so hi, please comment it means identify site procedure consent. Okay, over. So this is a question. Now next is allergy, airway, aspiration, okay, and risk of blood loss. All these are important questions. Now next is, and this is itself is a question, before induction of anesthesia comes under sign in, not under sign out or time out. Before skin incision is time out, and before patient leaves the operating room is sign out. Okay, time out and sign out respectively, you should remember. Now next is confirmation of all the limbs. This one came in the last year JIPMER as the wrong limb surgery should be decreased by identification or confirmation of by surgeon and anesthesiologist were in the option. If there were surgeon, anesthesiologist as well as nurse, that will be the appropriate answer also. Okay, remember. So confirmation and review. Review by NIS already I said. So each one is important. Any patient specific concern by anesthesiologist, equipment, sterility, all are looked in the timeout, and the operative steps, anticipated blood loss, and duration. These are come under timeout. Very, very important is anti image. Okay. Now next in the sign out, important part are procedure done. Okay. Next is counts will be confirmed over here. And next question is specimen level or not. Next question is equipment problem to be addressed over here. Okay, so this by 15 or 16 questions can be framed over here. And one more important point is, you can see in the WHO chart there is sign in, sign out, but there is no time in. This is a important part also. Okay, this may come as a question. So these are only questions, so please see this video repeatedly so that you will correct the answer. Okay, and also one more point is, the WHO checklist is standardized is this one, but this can be modified also. Along with this, these properties should be there. Along with this, you can add or subtract anything as per the hospital rule. So this is how you will remember this. And please subscribe our channel in Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook also, as well as in Concept Group. So see you in our next video with new techniques. Till then, goodbye.